Can you use this technology on two different devices? Nope. But surely you can use this technology. In our previous video, we were using Redmi Airdots on two different devices. The one was Android and the another one was iOS. But that doesn't really matter which devices you are using. It can be Android and Android. So in this video we are going to show you how you can connect your true wireless Bluetooth headphones on two different devices separately. Enable Bluetooth, then go to settings and put your headphones out of the box. Then click on pair new device. There you will find option to connect. Now let's connect it on the other device separately. Go to settings, enable Bluetooth, and let's begin the game. Now what you have to do is just press and hold the buttons until you see the red light dot. Now again press and hold until you see the red and white dots on the AirDot. Once again press and hold the buttons until you see the red and white dot on the AirDot. Now search it on your phone and you will see the Redmi Airdot arrow on the Bluetooth connection options. Now you have to repeat the process with the right one too. Press and hold the button until you see the red and white dot on the AirDot. Now go back to the Bluetooth settings and again click on pair with new device and wait until you see the Redmi Airdots R in the connections option. You see here is the option for Redmi Airdots R. Now go back and forget the previous connection. Then click on pair with new device again and click on Redmi Airdots R. Then pair it with your device. Boom! We have successfully connected our Redmi Airdots or Bluetooth headphones with two different devices. Hey, but that's not enough. We can use them separately on one device too. Let me show you how. Damn, buffering sucks. Hope you enjoy the video by the way. This is Agent 2000. Catch you in the next one. Until then, peace.